Welcome to my Passion Travel channel, a channel specializing in street food and travel. Banana fritters. Sliced bananas dipped in batter and fried until crispy. Banana fritters are a delightful and simple treat made from ripe bananas, coated in batter and fried until golden and crispy. Here's a basic recipe to make banana fritters. Ingredients: 3 ripe bananas, 1 cup all-purpose flour, 1 4-cup granulated sugar, adjust to taste, 1 teaspoon baking powder, 1 4-teaspoon salt, 1 2-teaspoon ground cinnamon, optional, 1 4-cup milk, or non-dairy alternative, 1 large egg, 1 teaspoon vanilla extract vegetable oil for frying instructions. Peel the ripe bananas and place them in a mixing bowl. Mash the bananas with a fork or potato masher until smooth. In another bowl, whisk together the flour, sugar, baking powder, salt, and cinnamon, if using. Add the mashed bananas to the dry ingredients. Then, add the milk, egg, and vanilla extract to the bowl. Mix until all the ingredients are well combined and you have a smooth batter. The batter should be thick enough to coat the bananas, but not too runny. Heat vegetable oil in a frying pan or skillet over medium heat. Make sure the oil is hot, but not smoking. Using a spoon or ladle, carefully drop spoonfuls of the banana batter into the hot oil. Flatten them slightly with the back of the spoon. Fry the fritters for about 2-3 minutes on each side, or until they turn golden brown and crispy. Be cautious when flipping them to avoid splattering hot oil. Once cooked, remove the fritters from the oil and place them on a plate lined with paper towels to absorb excess oil. Optionally, you can sprinkle some powdered sugar or cinnamon sugar on top of the fritters before serving. Enjoy the banana fritters warm as a delightful snack or dessert. Grilled lobster skewers. Freshly caught lobster grilled and served on skewers. Grilled lobster skewers are a delicious dish that showcases the succulent flavor of lobster with added smokiness from grilling. Here's a simple recipe to prepare grilled lobster skewers. Ingredients: 2-3 lobster tails, depending on size. 2-3 tablespoons olive oil or melted butter. 2-3 cloves garlic. Minced 1 tablespoon fresh parsley, chopped salt and pepper to taste wooden or metal skewers. If using wooden skewers, soak them in water for 30 minutes to prevent burning. Instructions: preheat your grill to medium-high heat. Prepare the lobster tails by removing the meat from the shells. To do this, use kitchen shears to carefully cut the top of the shell lengthwise. Gently separate the shell from the meat, keeping the meat attached at the base. Lift the meat onto the top of the shell. Cut the lobster meat into chunks or medallions suitable for skewering. In a small bowl, mix together the olive oil or melted butter, minced garlic, chopped parsley, salt, and pepper to create a marinade. Place the lobster meat chunks in a bowl and toss them with the marinade, ensuring they are evenly coated. Allow the lobster to marinate for about 10-15 minutes to absorb the flavors. Thread the marinated lobster pieces onto the skewers, ensuring they are secure but not too tightly packed. Place the skewers on the preheated grill. Grill the lobster skewers for about 4-5 minutes per side, or until the lobster meat is opaque and lightly charred, being careful not to overcook, as lobster can become tough if cooked for too long. Once the lobster skewers are grilled to perfection, remove them from the grill and place them on a serving platter. Optionally, garnish the grilled lobster skewers with additional chopped parsley and serve them with lemon wedges or a dipping sauce of your choice, such as melted butter with garlic and herbs, coconut crab bites, Small bites of coconut crab, a local delicacy, cooked and served as finger food. Coconut crab bites can be a unique and flavorful dish, highlighting the taste of the famous coconut crab found in the Pacific Islands. Here's a recipe to make coconut crab bites. Ingredients: meat from 2 coconut crabs. You can substitute with other types of crab if coconut crab is not available. 1 cup shredded coconut, unsweetened. 1 cup breadcrumbs, 2 eggs. Beaten 1 teaspoon garlic powder. Salt and pepper to taste, cooking oil for frying instructions. Prepare the coconut crab meat by removing it from the shells. Ensure the meat is cleaned and free from any shell fragments. In separate shallow bowls or plates, prepare the coatings for the crab bites. 1 with beaten eggs, another with a mixture of shredded coconut, breadcrumbs, garlic powder, salt, and pepper. Take small portions of the crab meat and shape them into bite-sized balls or patties. Dip each crab bite into the beaten eggs, coating it thoroughly. Roll the crab bite in the coconut and breadcrumb mixture, pressing gently to ensure the coating adheres well. Place the coated crab bites on a plate or tray and refrigerate them for about 15-20 minutes. This helps the coating set and adhere better during frying. Heat cooking oil in a frying pan or skillet over medium-high heat. Once the oil is hot, carefully place the crab bites in the pan, ensuring they are not overcrowded. Fry the bites for approximately 2-3 minutes on each side, or until they turn golden brown and crispy. Use a slotted spoon or tongs to remove the fried coconut crab bites from the oil and place them on a plate lined with paper towels to drain excess oil. Serve the coconut crab bites hot as an appetizer or snack. They can be accompanied by a dipping sauce of your choice, such as a sweet chili sauce, aioli, or a tangy mango salsa. Pineapple salsa with chips. Freshly made salsa using local pineapples served with tortilla chips. Pineapple salsa is a refreshing and flavorful condiment that pairs wonderfully with chips, especially when served as a snack or appetizer. Here's a simple recipe for pineapple salsa, along with instructions on how to serve it with chips. Ingredients for pineapple salsa: 2 cups fresh pineapple, finely diced, 1-2 red bell pepper, finely diced, 1-2 red onion, finely diced, 1 jalapeno pepper, seeded and finely chopped. Adjust according to spice preference. 1 4-cup fresh cilantro, chopped juice of 1 lime, salt, and pepper to taste ingredients for chips. Store-bought tortilla chips or homemade tortilla chips. Instructions for pineapple salsa. In a mixing bowl, combine the finely diced pineapple, red bell pepper, red onion, jalapeno pepper, and chopped cilantro. Squeeze the juice of 1 lime over the mixture and gently toss everything together until well combined. Season the pineapple salsa with salt and pepper to taste. You can adjust the seasoning according to your preference for sweetness or spiciness. Allow the flavors to meld by refrigerating the salsa for at least 30 minutes before serving. This helps enhance the taste of the salsa. Instructions for serving with chips. Once the pineapple salsa has chilled and the flavors have melded, it's ready to be served. Transfer the pineapple salsa to a serving bowl. Arrange a platter or bowl of tortilla chips alongside the bowl of pineapple salsa for dipping. Enjoy the pineapple salsa with the tortilla chips by scooping up the salsa with the chips for a delicious sweet and tangy snack. Samoan Panikeke. Sweet fried dough balls, similar to donuts. Samoan Panikeke is a beloved treat in Samoa, resembling small fried donuts or fritters. They are sweet, fluffy, and often enjoyed as a snack or dessert. Here's a simple recipe to make Samoan Panikeke. Ingredients: 2 cups all-purpose flour, 1 2-cup granulated sugar, 2 teaspoons baking powder, 1 4 teaspoon salt, 1 cup coconut milk. You can use canned coconut milk. 1 teaspoon vanilla, extract vegetable oil for frying powdered sugar, optional for dusting. Instructions: in a mixing bowl, combine the all-purpose flour, granulated sugar, baking powder, and salt. Whisk these dry ingredients together until well combined. Gradually pour in the coconut milk and vanilla extract into the dry ingredients. Mix everything together until you have a smooth batter. Ensure there are no lumps in the batter, but avoid overmixing. Heat vegetable oil in a deep frying pan or pot to around 350 to 360 degrees Fahrenheit, 175 to 180 degrees Celsius. Using a spoon or scoop, carefully drop spoonfuls of the batter into the hot oil, creating small rounds, similar to donut holes. You can also shape them into small discs, using your hands if preferred. Fry the panikeke in batches, ensuring not to overcrowd the pan. Cook each batch for about 2-3 minutes per side, or until they turn golden brown and are cooked through. Once done, remove the panikeke from the oil using a slotted spoon and place them on a plate lined with paper towels to drain excess oil. Optional: dust the panikeke with powdered sugar while they are still warm for added sweetness. Serve the Samoan Panikeke warm and enjoy them as a delightful snack or dessert.